Take a ride in the 2018 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, backup camera, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag, child safety locks, electronic stability control, compass, tachometer, auxiliary audio input, brake assist, rear head airbag. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. Come see the car for yourself.